Hello YouTubers, this is just a really quick video just to show you what I have in my inventory so you could add me and we could trade, because I like trading. Okay. Second. This is what I want to trade this. A red legend, a that. Takes too long to say. That. And here, let's go to head. Those. I love my carousel hat. So if you want to trade it, you better have some really good stuff. I'm just gonna go through everything. I don't really have to go to head to toe or whatever. Are these rare? The angel helmet thing? Because I got that a long time ago and I don't even know if it's rare. I heard people talking about it, but well, at the bottom all the good stuff is here. Got lots of heart balloons. Ooh, get to the bottom. Yeah. Okay, and then my den items. Okay, I'll just do it right here. That of lots of 10 million signs and nest of eggs. Doo -doo. This is all just boring stuff. Just recycle all the boring stuff. Getting to that just takes so long. So if you find anything you like, I'm happy to trade, but only do fair trade. Because I don't like not fair trade, because it's not fair. When does it get to the end? On my trade list and stuff, always the end is the best, like claw machine. Getting to the end. I have lots of stuff I have to recycle. And okay. I hope you liked the video. Please comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want, and then I'll trade. Okay, bye YouTubers.